Alright, Troy, salute. Another welcome for more Pidgin after match talk about you see. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea 0 and Southampton 1. We get Ogayero will be like now, get person, no be Chelsea fan, now Manchester United fan, strong goal like that. We won't tell us what you see from Chelsea performance today. Ogayero, I beg, you get some things when you will talk about Chelsea performance that time when the game finished. I beg, tell us how you dey see this kind of form where Chelsea dey now because if like say every year don't go give them for Chelsea. How you dey see Chelsea form?
Uh, to me, Chelsea fan no go let wetin I wan talk but I got to just talk am. Like the way they tell me last season and I accept am. Chelsea now, they be big dirty. When they say big dirty, not be just ordinary dirty, man dirty. Those kind of dirty wey be like say shit dey full well. Na Chelsea be now. The coach, the player, they be just waste of money. I don't know wetin the owner see for the coach body when he go carry cup on Brighton. I don't know the kind of players they when they sign. Even Man U last season sef when they fall, we still get one savior for inside wey they call Cristiano Ronaldo. One we sign. Even though we dey go down, he still dey score more goals. And with that one, he still help us go Europa League. He still boost us. Even when Man U dey down, Man U not get match when they play say they come play straight. 4 matches say we not collect 3 points. They must win one. If I thought they win 2, they will lose 2. Also, they will draw the 4. Now say you'll be, but this Chelsea, you know, say, oh, bro, they be dirty, be like community where naked, swaggy, the night they be now.
So you know say when the game they go on rival fans go dey ask Chelsea fans say how far the players went on a hijack, how far they be. How you dey see this Chelsea signings, big money signings with Chelsea hijack? You understand? Some of them they hijack them. How you dey see those transfers and those players now?
Well, there be big zero minus for all the players they sign because no one getting part of the full Chelsea except Joe Felix. You dey see kind of playing and it to say the rest ones he be like Chelsea for the win game. If not for the rest of them, that one they go say na Enzo Fernandez when Argentina midfield for World Cup. That gonna big dirty, a waste of money. If I be coach, I not buy that guy for 50 million pounds. That guy na waste of money. He not get wetin the conscious he call offer. I not blame Asha. Now the owner when if you say na Pointer King what they do like who go Awusa Mark store go buy foul anywhere point that they kick giver. I not blame man. Now the owner I blame. If you say money too much, may not worry. Next season we go know whether it go sign like this or it go pursue people come up with the club.
All right, now, Ogayero, thank you for your time. Because the people now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.